Morning vlog. My kid woke up bad again. For the third day in a row. Apple cider. Y'all probably think I'm so mean. I promise I'm not a mean mom. Am I a mean mom, kids?
No. I wouldn't be in your vlog if you were mean.
AJ, my mean sister.
You said yes.
Can't my
She's scared of watermelons.
She is scared of it. There's a watermelon on our counter for the party tomorrow. And the cat is so scared of the watermelon. It's kind of weird.
She was like on the counter last night and she was running from it.
I'm not going to take any calm today. Because I just have way too much to do.
Because it was cold in California and then we got here at the
Oh, okay. Struggling for her own apple juice now, y'all.
Really?
You have soup for breakfast? Never floats your boat. It's summer. We used to have pizza for breakfast when I was your age.
I used to have pizza for breakfast.
Moss. And we wouldn't even warm it up. Like, we would have a party the night before, like a slumber party. And then the next morning we would all wake up and just eat cold pizza.
That is disgusting.
That is disgusting. But like, that's what we used to do.
You have to eat it out of
Right out the box it came in. This child makes no sense. Fat burner. Are you okay, son?
Can you change my birthday to today?
You're number 5. Fat burner.
Where my boo? Where my boo?
I'm so glad they went home with Lola. That car was totaled.
What?
Okay, we'll worry about it later,
What did
okay?
she say?
My papa.
Okay. So I have a lot of stuff on my counter, but I just want to show you making my shake. So this is the rest. We just finished cereal. This is the pasta I have to cook. This is the pretzels I have to dip. This is the watermelon I have to cut. It's gonna be a great day.
Mom,
Yes.
if you can't cut a pineapple,
Should I make tea or should I make matcha?
Tea first and then matcha. I mean, matcha is
then
tea.
Yeah, it's just yeah, it's the same thing. One's just
It's not the same.
It's
But-
the same
they do the
thing.
same thing.
I have a headache.
It's the same thing.
Do you want something hot or do you want something cold?
I don't know.
Wait, AJ, I can be your step. Go. Here, AJ.
I really have a headache right now. Candace.
Can you see this scratch?
I'm blind.
Candace.
The
How far the Louis concert is now.
Louis. Friday.
Oh,
We're going to the Louis Thompson concert.
it's 1 month and 4 days and 12 hours.
Oh my gosh. So close. No one was in it.
No, it was just going. And then I sent it to Zoe and she goes, that's very forward. Remember yesterday when I was trying to figure out what I was going to ask your dad for my birthday? In California, Dad was like, we were talking about something. And I was like, no, what I want.
It'll be cheap if it's one person. It'd be like $2,000 because you can get those packages.
I was just like, no, I'm not checking. He was like, why? And I was like, because I already know, like, it's going to be too much. And then I'm going to lose my time.
All right, so my plan is, AJ threw a hanger. My plan is to have my shake, work my YouTube videos real quick because they uploaded last night. Then I'm going to run to the post office to mail off my tea kits. Then I'm going to go to Publix to get a cake to redecorate. And then I'm going to come home and do all the stuff that I have to do. So I'll see you guys when it's time to eat.
Mom. Can I go to the post office with you?
So I just got home from the store, so I'm hungry and I'm making another one of these little waffle turkey sandwiches before I start doing the 500,000 things that I have to do. Yeah. Wonderful. But at least I'm still eating. Alright, this is my sandwich. Instead of mayonnaise, I just put a little bit of honey mustard. And this is what I'm gonna eat real quick. That's a honey wheat sandwich then too.
Are you gonna mute that video?
Yeah.
Hi. So yummy. Thank you, Mama.
Yes, AJ.
Mom, you should start like a baking business.
Why?
Because people would actually buy them. I should do the back first, Mom.
How do you even cut something this big? Like, where do you start? In the middle?
You want me to cut it?
Dribbling. Keeping it busy for a minute. That's a freaking big watermelon.
Mommy, that's the only stuff that. Daddy, up here. Daddy,
Daddy's helping Mom. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I threw it.
Put it in the garbage, man. Those are garbage. Put them in nasty. Put it in the garbage.
officially midnight. I was in the kitchen for exactly 7.5 hours getting my kid's birthday party ready for tomorrow. But it's gonna make tomorrow morning extremely easy for me, so it was well worth it. So I'm going to do, I took a shower and I'm gonna do my nightly stuff and I'm going to sleep because my body hurts so bad from being in here for 7.5 hours. Super green. 2. 2. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna take 2. So, I had the turkey sandwich. When I was cutting the fruit, I was eating fruit as I was cutting. So that was a snack. I made my lumpia. I ate one of those. But that's it. I'm not having a shake or nothing because I'm tired. I don't have the strength to make a shake, honestly. I would love a shake right now. I can't make myself a shake. I'm gonna brush my hair and go to sleep. I'll get up early. Have my breakfast. Go decorate for her party. Come back home, pick them up. And go up there. I don't plan on doing bad tomorrow. Not for her birthday party. I'm gonna enjoy myself, but I'm trying to gain no weight tomorrow. So I'm doing good right now. So that's it for today. I'm sorry to have a lot of ideas and food and stuff, but I was definitely in the kitchen for 7.5 hours prepping for a birthday party. I apologize. And we're gonna finish this vlog strong. Just gotta get through today and tomorrow. Almost at 100 days now. Cat's knocking stuff over. Alright, I'm gonna go brush my hair now. Good night, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye.